Mũcemanio-inĩ wa ũgitĩri na maabithaa borithi taũni-inĩ ya Boro, kaunti-inĩ nini ya Aleho Siaya, aikari matongoretio nĩ MCA David Ragen matetetie wongerereku wa wĩkinaĩ mwena ũyũ kũrĩa macokeire maabithaa borithi kũgonderera wĩra-inĩ wao.
There are two specific groups that have been mentioned. One is called 42 Brothers, and then there is another one called Azimio, who are really creating havoc. They are stealing our motorbikes, they are killing our people, and I think it's high time that we as a community, we rise and we come together to tackle this.
Chairman wa kĩama kĩa atwarithia a nduthi taũni-inĩ ya Boro Kennedy Ouru augĩte gũkoretwo na wongerereku wa ciĩko cia atwarithia a nduthi gũtharĩkĩrwo na nduthi ciao ikaiywo.
Tunahofia mambo yetu ya security kuhusu junction pa Boro kitokea Siaya, tulikuwa tunaibiwa pikipiki hapo. Tumejaribu kupiga ripoti kwa polisi, tumepigia OCS au OCPD, wajachukua sheria yoyote kuhusu hiyo mambo ya uwizi ya pikipiki.
Aikari maugĩte kũĩrwo aya marakorwo mehumbĩte uniform cia borithi na ũguo gũtũma mũingĩ wĩkũĩre borithi na kũmagwetania na ciĩko cia ũici.
We feel that the office and the office of the OCS and these people, they are working with these gangs. Because it has been reported that the OCS vehicle has been seen in places with the criminals, and the OCS has neither denied it nor accepted it.
Aikari aya rĩu mahete honge cia ũgitĩri kiumia kĩmwe kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya kũhũrana na ũhagũku wa ũgitĩri gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu kwaga ũguo meyoere watho moko-inĩ mao.
We've given them an ultimatum and we've given them 1 week so that we can see that the names of those who are forwarded to the offices, those whom we suspect to be committing these crimes, we want to see them arresting these criminals.
Tunataka PS mahali yako, PS Omolo ashughulikie huyu mtu. Kama hawezi badilishwa hapa, bado tutakuwa na hii shida. Ashughulikiwe, apelekwe mahali ingine, tupate OCS mwingine ambaye atashughulikia wananchi wa Siaya ili tukue na amani na wezi isipatikane kwamba polisi ndio wanafanya hii uhalifu na wanatumia magari za serikali kufanya uhalifu.
Geri Fotera, Inooro TV, Jitago Abdul Hakim, Gashago.